Imagine a desert. Now imagine a desert drier than the Sahara. That's right, it exists. Hidden within the icy continent of Antarctica lies a place so dry it hasn't seen rain for nearly 2 million years. This incredible place is called the McMurdo Dry Valleys. Can you believe a place on Earth can be drier than the Sahara Desert? It's hard to imagine, but the dry valleys are a unique and fascinating part of our planet. Let's embark on a journey to this extraordinary place and discover what makes it so special. Located near McMurdo Sound in Antarctica, the McMurdo Dry Valleys are a series of valleys like long, stretched-out dips in the land. They are nestled between tall, icy mountains and frozen glaciers. The mountains surrounding the valleys act like giant walls, blocking any moisture from reaching the valley floors. This is one of the reasons why the dry valleys are so incredibly dry. The secret behind the dry valley's extreme dryness lies in a combination of factors. First, the transantarctic mountains create what's called a rain shadow. As moist air tries to cross the mountains, it's forced upwards, cooling and dropping its moisture as snow on the other side. Second, the dry valleys experience incredibly strong winds called katabatic winds. These winds rush down the sides of the mountains, picking up any moisture and carrying it away. The combination of the rain shadow and katabatic winds creates an environment so dry that it's hard to believe it's on the same planet as lush rainforests. So just how dry are the dry valleys compared to the Sahara Desert? The Sahara Desert, known for its scorching heat and sand dunes, receives an average of about 1 inch of rain per year. That's already very dry. But the McMurdo Dry Valleys receive almost no precipitation at all. In fact, some areas haven't seen rain or snow for millions of years. That's drier than a popcorn kernel left in the bag too long. Section 5. A frozen Mars-like landscape. The McMurdo Dry Valleys look like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Instead of sandy dunes, imagine vast plains of gravel and rocks. Scattered with frozen lakes and crisscrossed by ancient riverbeds, the ground is so dry and dusty that it's almost like walking on the moon. These valleys are also home to some of the most extreme and unusual features on Earth. Towering above the valley floors are the famous Dry Valley Pyramids. These pyramid-shaped formations are made of ice and rock and seem to defy gravity. You might think that nothing could survive in such a harsh environment, but amazingly, life finds a way. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are home to a surprising variety of life forms, all specially adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Tiny organisms called extremophiles, like bacteria and algae, live within the rocks and soil. These hardy creatures can survive freezing temperatures, intense dryness, and even high levels of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are a goldmine for scientists. By studying the rocks, ice, and unique life forms, scientists can learn about Earth's past climate, the effects of climate change, and even the possibility of life on other planets. Think of the dry valleys as a time capsule preserving clues about Earth's history for millions of years. Scientists can drill deep into the ice and extract ice cores, which are like long frozen records of past climates. The dry valleys act like a giant natural laboratory for studying climate change. Because the environment is so sensitive to changes in temperature and precipitation, scientists can observe the effects of global warming more clearly here than in other parts of the world. The lessons learned in the dry valleys can help us understand how climate change might impact other parts of Antarctica and the rest of our planet in the future. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are a truly remarkable and important part of our planet. They provide a glimpse into Earth's past, present, and future, and offer valuable insights into the possibilities of life in extreme environments. It's crucial that we protect this unique and fragile ecosystem for future generations. By understanding the dry valleys and the challenges they face, we can all do our part to preserve the wonders of our planet.